Hey guys, back with another video. Today we are gonna play Poppy. Oh, wait, no, not Poppy. That's the wrong. That's wait. Today we're gonna play. Shut up. Today we're gonna play Cats Are Liquid Better Place. So let's see. Okay.
It involves a lot of reading, so I'm gonna be his translator.
Beep. Oh, and also like and subscribe, or Huggy Wuggy will be under your bed. No, that's just a way to make people like and subscribe. But no, that won't happen. Trust me. But I know what will happen if you like and subscribe. I will be happy, and maybe then yeah, just me. Translator, beep. Ah! Okay. Translator, beep. I gotta fix my translator. Translator, beep. Dang it, translator.
Hold on, I'm about to go.
Liquid Cat's Better Place.
Okay. Tell me when you need me.
Okay.
Tell me when you need me.
Okay, let's do this. Dang, that's cool. Oh, that's cool. Yo. Wee, okay, boost. What?
But
Ah!
this was better.
Ow!
Sorry.
Yeah.
No, I'm just laying down.
Go.
Obstacles.
I got hit.
But nothing too difficult just yet.
I already have a 2 health.
Turn down some Stussy.
Pretty little light.
It's almost to 0.
Fine.
What?
Everything still felt a bit dull. Too boxy.
I'm almost dead. Oh! Oh no! 3 health.
The cat got another idea. Tell me if you need help. I can do the level for you because I'm super good at this game.
No. This is my channel.
It gets really hard.
Oh god, no! Oh boy, oh. Go.
Wait.
Go. I died.
Wait, what?
I died. Oh, no. Oh,
No, there were words. I just couldn't read them because Stassi.
Whoa. Whoa! I'm dead again.
Just tell me if you need help.
No. Whoa! Parkour, I'm dead. Nice. Okay, I'm gonna pause it right here until I beat this part. Yes, I made it. I need a checkpoint, please. Whoa.
That's better.
Oh, that was
That's not.
that was hard.
Squares anymore.
Oh, I have it. Oh.
the rooms were starting to get a bit more difficult.
Yeah, no cap. Oh,
At least the consequences for failing weren't that bad.
oh gosh, this is scary. No. 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 No!
Wait, did you unpause the video?
No. Oh, that's it. Oh yeah. I
Okay.
did.
The cat could just respawn.
Okay, this is where it gets pretty tricky.
Is this a good game, Daniel?
Yeah, this is actually good for YouTuber. No, I'm.
And get right back to it.
Let's go. That was easy dubs.
The cat wondered where her friends were. She hadn't seen them anywhere yet. And she knew they were somewhere in here, not necessarily in this world.
I didn't know I had friends.
Dang.
Oh gosh.
I think I speed ran this one. At least she was starting to feel feel more complete now. I think I speed run this one, and I think it took me like 3
You're
minutes.
supposed to be a translator.
I know. The cat had found one of her friends.
Yay. I think
They were both excited to see each other.
I'm his. Am I a girl, by the way?
Yes, you are.
Whoa.
Oh, cookies are done. The first one. Could you pause it? Pause the game. Cookies are done.
What does it say?
Soon they would all G.
Come on.
Okay, hold on, pause it. What does this one say?
Continue. Soon they would all get to explore the world together.
Am I in heaven? No, it's okay. The people can read it.
So what you're saying is you don't need to know the story.
Well, they do. It's just that.
You really don't?
Yeah. But some of their siblings can help them. I don't know. Oh gosh, no! No! Oh wait, how am I on 3 health?
Michael, stop farting.
No! Oh god, no!
Stop farting, Michael.
I made it.
Michael, stop.
Have a grumpy one. A blue one. My friends, they're all here once and for all. Love, 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 love. I'm faster than audio. Oh shoot. Oh! Wee! Wee! Woo!
Look at the cookies, guys.
God no!
No, not yet.
Oh gosh, oh no!
Stop.
Are you Oh, yes, finally.
Okay, I'm back.
No, no. Are you? Stop. Yes. Yes. Yes! Are you, August? Are you? Hey, wait for me. Oh gosh!
Oh yeah, they don't wait on you.
Wow, why did I even pick these friends?
I don't know.
They don't even care if I
Oh look, they
die.
don't even respond to these things. Oh wait, they do. Oh no, I mean on checkpoints, not like they spawn with you at the start of the game.
Bro, what the heck?
Literally, we're standing on the blue cat's head.
He's the one that betrayed me.
Yeah, but you were standing on his head, so now he has a reason to betray you.
What is it?
The cat felt much better with adventuring with the friends.
Oh gosh. What does this lead to? Oh.
Going through these rooms alone just wasn't right.
Not ready.
No.
I won't eat it yet.
God dang it. Yes, sir.
I'll be right back.
Woo. Oh gosh. Ah. I just don't care if I'm hurt. What the heck? What is going on? Springtrap is in this game again. Springtrap, why is he in this game?
Springtrap? Does Springtrap in that game?
Yeah!
Where?
This is so oh gosh. Look, it started glitching and now it's black. Hold on.
What just happened?
I don't know. Is he asking me or him?
That's what the story said.
No. Parkour. No! Oh, brother. Okay. Dude, I made it. Come on, we.
I made cookies.
I know something ain't right. I can't move. What is going on? Springtrap is definitely in this game. What does this lead me to?
You mean Springtrap or Glitchtrap?
Glitch trap. Lie into my face, pretty. Trophy unlocked. Whoa. Ah! Oh, this sucks. What? I'm in Miles Morales dimension. I'm going into the Spider-Verse. This is weird.
Take one.
Hot, hot, hot.
They are hot.
Okay, guys. I'm gonna leave it right here. This game is actually good. Pretty cool. I like it. So, like and subscribe. I'll see you next time. Once I...
Is it good?
Yeah. Kinda...
Milk?
Yeah.